Hi friends, welcome to Get Droid Tips YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Canva for free. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech videos in the future. Make the time and effort you put into your video count. Use the comprehensive tools on the online Canva app to create your thumbnail. Canva offers free and upgraded pro versions on their website. There are two ways to create a thumbnail with Canva online. You can use your own images or choose a Canva template. Watch this video to learn how to create YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Once you are done, tap on the download option to start the downloading process. The default size allowed to download for free is 720 pixels size. If you want to download HD, you have to purchase the Pro plan. That's it friends. If this video is helpful, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos.